So I have a very simple formula if you're trying to get put marketing messages out there. The first step is that you figure out what your target market actually wants. Not what do you want to talk about, but what do they want? And I talk about it being an external noun. So fill in the blank. My customer wants what? Externally, not internally, externally. So my customer wants status when they see others. My customer wants to be loved by their family. My customer wants to lose 100 pounds. Whatever it is, what does your customer want? And then what then you come up with a list of 10 ways that your competitors try to give them that, but don't do a great job. Like things you don't like that your competitors do. So you make a chart, 10 things. Then you make the next column or 10 ways that you do things differently. Okay. So this is what we call point of view marketing, that it automatically distinguishes you from the other person. And then the third column, you come up with examples of how those things have played out. So since we're dealing with, it's car dealerships, right?
All right.
Yes.
Yeah. So let's do a car dealership example. If your best target market is families, right? The family wants a car they can be proud of to drive up to the sporting games in. Okay. So let's say that's the number one thing. They want to have a car that provides them that they are seen as safe, reliable, successful when they pull up to the game. Okay. So that's the thing that they want. Then you come up with 10 ways that other people do it. And you might say, one way that we don't like that other car dealerships do it is that they put massive pressure on somebody the first time they come to the lot. The kids are jumping around. It's a crazy day, and they're trying to get them to buy the second they walk on the lot. We do things, let's say we do things differently. We're going to engage them in a conversation, find out what you actually want, to find out the best solution. If you don't buy it today, it's fine. When this is a relationship. And then they would give example of like the Jones family. They came by, they told me they wanted a minivan. When we got to talking, I found out an actual hybrid crossover would be better match for what their needs were. So that would be the story. Okay. You take those 10 pieces of content. You're going to go on an app that's called StreamYard, StreamYard, and you're going to record 10 videos telling these stories. That's it. Super simple. Does not need to be like a professional video. Super authentic, just regular Joe Schmo telling these stories is great. Then you're going to take those 10 videos and go to a resource called Vidyo, VIDYO.ai. You're going to upload those 10 videos you just recorded, and Vidyo AI will automatically cut it into individual social media posts that will give you a year's worth of content. A year's worth of content. Yeah. And it's content that's not just engaging, not just focus on your right fit target market, but literally shows up saying why you are different. Imagine if all of your marketing was on who you were supposed to market to, what they wanted, and how you were different. Now you're attracting people to you who are literally your best prospects ever because they came to you because you're the expert.